In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front license plate bracket on this Lexus RX350. More than likely yours, if you're replacing it, is already broken or not even mounted anymore, but regardless, I'll show you how to remove the old one. This will be located on your front bumper. Let's get started. On the front bumper, remove your license plate first, usually 2 screws here and here, and then you'll need a 10mm socket to remove the 2 screws that hold the plate bracket onto the front bumper. With these off, you'll notice that it wants to fall off. That's normal. Sometimes these 2 hooks are still hooked into the bottom. Other times they're not. In my case, they are slightly bent, so they're not doing anything. To install the new bracket, line up the 2 tabs on the bottom with the bumper cover. You'll feel that they kind of hook in over there, and then push it up against the front of the bumper cover. It comes with 2 new screws that you'll have to thread in. Snug them up, but not too much. They're holding onto plastic and you can easily strip it. One last thing before you install your license plate, what you want to do is take these little inserts that come with the plate bracket and slide them on to the corresponding hole. For me, it's going to be this top one. They pinch on here and they squeeze onto the plastic. You want to put both of them, one on each side. That is where you're going to put your license plate screw in. With all that installed, you can put your license plate back on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.